and shading. This is your friend Akshita. Today I have brought another storybook for you. This storybook has only one story. Jan and Kane stay away from the rain. Are you excited to read with me? Okay, let's start. The title of the story is Jan and Kane Stay Away from the Rain. Today is Sunday. Can we go out and play? We like to go out and play, say Jan and Kane to Mom. It is windy day. Jan and Kane like to play. They like to play with a pail of hay. It is windy day. It is going to rain. You must not play in the rain, says Mum. Why do not you both stay at home? We can make a toy. Let's make a toy cat, says Mum. Jan says, hooray! Let's stay in and make a toy cat. We just stay away from the rain. Jan, Kane and Mum make a toy cat. Mum says, let's give a tail to the cat. Jan likes the toy cat. Kane likes the toy cat. They play with the toy cat. They do not play in the rain. The next day is Monday. Can we go out and play? We like to go out and play, says Jan and Kane to Mum. Oh no, it rains again. When it rains, it is a day. Stay in and play, says Mum. Why do not we bake a cake, says Mum. Today is baby Jill's birthday. Hooray! We can bake a cake. We can bake a cake for baby Jill, say Jan and Kane. Yes, we can bake a cake for baby Jill. We can bake a big cake with her name on it, says Mum. Jan, Kane and Mum bake a cake for baby Jill. It is a big cake. It has her name on it. Baby Jill likes the cake. Jan, Kane and Mum like the cake too. They all eat the cake. The next day, again it rains. Jan and Kane say, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Jan and Kane want to go out and play. This is the end of story. I hope you like this story. I will meet you next video. Till then, bye bye. And like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.